Realized you entered the wrong bank account for your tax refund after already filing? Don't panic. If you act quickly, you can often fix this. Today, we're changing your bank account for a TurboTax refund deposit. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The key to changing your bank details is timing. Once the IRS has accepted your return, you generally cannot change the information with TurboTax. But there are steps you can take. Scenario 1. Return not yet accepted. If your return is still in submitted status but hasn't been accepted by the IRS, you may be able to cancel the submission in TurboTax, correct the bank information, and refile. Look for a cancel or amend option in the file section. Scenario 2. Return already accepted. If the IRS has already accepted your return, the direct deposit information is locked. Your best course of action is to wait. If the refund can't be deposited, the IRS will mail a paper check to the address on your return. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: double check your routing and account numbers before filing. This is the single most important step to avoid this headache. Have a voided check or a bank statement handy when you enter your direct deposit information. A 30-second check can save you weeks of waiting for a paper check. So, just like that, you know your options for correcting a banking error. Careful data entry goes a long way in ensuring a smooth refund process. Now I'm curious, have you ever had a refund sent to a closed account? What was the outcome? Share your experience in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.